Hi friends, I'm Sutar sir. I'm Sutar sir. Today we are going to discuss regarding the tuberculosis. Then what is tuberculosis? Whether it is a communicable disease or non-communicable disease? How this disease is there is occur? What are the symptoms are there? Then which type of the precautions we have to take? What is the medicine? How much time medicine is to be take? Likewise, the very things are there that we have to be study in this one, chapter. As you know that tuberculosis, it is a very well-known disease is there, by which this disease is there is occur. You know, yes, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This is the organism is there, which is responsible to cause a disease. Where this disease is mostly affect, what are the symptoms? You know that yes, this disease mostly affects on the lungs. Not only the lung but other parts of the bodies are there that is also affected, such as your lungs are there, then body bones are there, then skins are there, or various type of the organs are there that is also known or affected by this one particular tuberculosis. Oh, this is a communicable disease. There we must have to take the precautions. The droplets, a patient is there is to be suffer by the tuberculosis if he cough or sneeze. Through this his coughing, what are the droplets are there that is comes out. Because of which next one person is there is also contaminated or affected by this one particular tuberculosis disease, and the sign and symptoms are there that is to be appears. Now, the disease is there, it should be transferred by the direct method is there, means direct the droplet method, or the indirect method is there, means what are the articles which are to be used by a person. If normal healthy person utilize such type of the article, then he may also suffer by this type of the diabetes. Okay, that is a if direct to direct transmission is there should occur, that is known as a direct transmission. If the disease is transferred through the indirect method, such as by use of the articles, then the disease is there is known as a indirect transmission. In this treatment, there are the two type of the uh, tuberculosis is there, such as dry TB is there and the wet TB is there. In dry TB, there is no cup formations are there that is will appear, whereas in case of the wet TB, the cup formation is there is appears. You are going to observe this one. Figure in which the person is there is to suffer by the tuberculosis. In this case, the person, the weakness is there is to be found. It is not because of the diet, but because of the tuberculosis. The person is there is to be appears just like this one. Okay. Now this is the second one. In the village area is there where the treatments are there that is not to be available. Then such type of the persons are there that should appear that are to be suffered by this tuberculosis. Now the next one is there. There is tuberculosis. There is to be transferred by the direct uh, infection. Means what is the coughs are there that should be through the coughing. What are the droplets are there that should be transferred into the air, and through this one ear, that droplets are there that should be inhaled by the someone person that enters into the normal person's body, and person is suffered by the tuberculosis. Okay, and this TB, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, is mostly affect on the lung, and in this case, the oxygen carrying capacity or the lungs, if there is not to be function properly, is known as a TB. These are the sign and symptoms of the TBs are there. Okay. Now, tuberculosis. This is the most prevalent communication infectious disease on the earth is there, and it remains out of the control in many developing nations. Nations are there where the serious some earlier before few years before TB is most of the causative agents is there. Most of the peoples are there that is suffer by this one particular TB, and the treatment is there is not a short term, it long term treatment is there should be required. So that, and the treatment is there is also costlier one. Sometimes the operations are there that is should be performed to remove the clot. Mostly in case of the dry TB, the clot formation in there should be occur. But in case of the wet TB, this is not to be happen. There is a rise in body temperature, there is to be found. Likewise, the symptoms are there that should appear, and the treatment there should be near about 2 months initially, and continue up to the 9 month treatment. Where the isoniazid is the isoniazid, rifampicin. Likewise, the important drugs are there which are to be used in the treatment of this one tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a chronic disease, specific inflammatory infectious disease is there that is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis or tuberculosis in the human being. Usually, this the microorganism attacks on the lung, but it can also affect on the other parts of the lungs, on the body, such as your bones are there, skins are there, livers are there. Likewise, the kidney is there. These organs are there that is be affected, so that nowadays we see that patient is suffered by the having a TB of the kidney, TB of the bones, TB of the liver. Likewise, the symptoms words are there that we know. Now, the co-infection with the HIV. If the TB is there is we along with the HIV infection, then the synergistic effect is there is we occur, means synergistic effect toward the death of the patient, because in case of the HIV, that is a human immunodeficiency is there, deficiency virus is there, in which the immune power is there, it goes on decreasing, so that the TB is have a very well media for the growth of this one particular TB, and this causes the much more spreading of the disease in the HIV patient's body. Accelerate the progression of the both disease are there, means tuberculosis and the HIV if there that are to be present in that patient, then the chances of the mortality there should be high, means patient may die earlier because of the already in that one particular patient, because of the HIV the deficiency is there, uh, immune power is there is less, and in that case the Mycobacterium tuberculosis attack is there is greater. Tuberculosis can provide the atypical signs and the symptoms in the infants and the elderly, and immunocompromised hosts are there. In some case, um, the latent TB there is to be known. Latent TB means in some of the patient the tuberculosis sign and symptoms are there that is not to be appear. There is a delay in is there is a delay in this one particular symptoms are there, so that it is known as a latent TB, and it can progress rapidly in this patients where the symptoms are there that is not to be appear rapidly. The etiology of this one is that is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It present either in the latent TB infection, that is a LTBI. L means latent, TB that is a Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and means infection, as a progressive active disease is there. Then the latter, typically it causes the progressive destructions of the lung, means initially it shows it attack on the lungs, then leading to the death, and most of the patients who do not have received the treatment, the person death may occur 100%. The common cause of this one is there, that is a Mycobacterium tuberculosis is there, that also include other another species of the mycobacteriums are there, such as the Mycobacterium avium intracellularly, then Mycobacterium scrofulinum is there, then Mycobacterium ulcerans are there, then for term likewise the different type of the species are there of this one Mycobacterium tuberculosis that is responsible to cause TB. Okay. Now, in case of the epidemiology, roughly one of the every three people on the earth is infected by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. A survey there should be taken by the World Health Organization in that they have to be observed near about 1% patients are there that are to be suffered by 1% patients are there that are to be suffered by the tuberculosis. The destruction is very uneven, The highest incidence is found in the South Asia, then Sahara is there in this. In the United States, near about 13 million people have determined TB infections are there, and evidence by a positive skin test. You know that for the TB, test is there should be conducted where the in the skin, just the dermal. Some of the injections are there that are to be injected, and the patient is allowed to keep for 3 to 4 weeks. After that, the observations are there that are to be done. If there is swelling is there is to be found, then the patient is positive for the TB. If nothing is there, then the patient is normal. Likewise, the tests are there that should be carried out. Now, in this case, the purified protein derivatives are there that are to be injected. What is the solution is there in that injection? That is a purified protein derivative are there, but no signs and the symptoms of the disease are there that it will appear, that are the patient is there to be free from the tuberculosis, like the conclusions are there that are made. Now, every year, approximately 1.7 millions of the people are infected by the tuberculosis, where near about 2 million people each year with the spread of the AIDS and tuberculosis continues to lay the base of the large populations are there. Means AIDS, HIV, and the tuberculosis, if they are to be found, so that the death of the peoples are there, that is maximum, because in AIDS. The immune system is there is very less. The emergency of the drug resistance organism threatened to take this one disease once again incurable. As the one single drug treatment is there should be given, then the resistance may be developed in such type of the disease, so that the in this one case the combination of the drug therapy is there should be given to the patients. Then risk factors are include low socio-economic status, means the patient or you must have to avoid the socio-economical conditions are there, or you must not enter into the socio-economic conditions are there, where the major chances are there that are to be suffer. Your patients are there that are suffer by the TB may present. Crowded living conditions are there. Some so the patients are there uh, that have a limitation to enter into the crowded area, because the communicable disease is there that is easily transferred from one person to the another person. Then disease that weakens the immune system, like HIV. If the person is suffered by the HIV, that is a human immunodeficiency virus is there, because of which the attack of the another disease is there is more as compared to the TB is there. So if as compared to the HIV, means in that case the other diseases are there that are attacking on this one patient, and then it creates a uh, disease such as the tuberculosis there is mostly affected on this one patient. Persons on the immunosuppression like the steroid healthcare workers are there. If the patient is there should be having a treatment of the immunosuppression like the steroidal drug therapy is there, then in that case the development of this one TB is high. Migration from one country with a higher number of the cases, means if the patient is transferred from one country to another country, then along with the number of the patients are there, then the chances are there that is transmission of the disease if there is high. Alcoholism, in case of this one the liver is there is not be performed properly, so that there are chances of this one tuberculosis if there is to be high. Then recent tubercular infection within the last 2 years are there, then there is a risk factor of this one tuberculosis is there. Co-infection with the human immunodeficiency virus. HIV is the most important risk factor for the TB is there, because the immune defects prevent the patient from containing the initial infections are there, means in HIV patient only early already the immune power is there is less, and that is the infectious agents are there that are present. So if the tuberculosis if there should be enters in such type of the patient's body, then it's very difficult to treat such type of the patient, because the immune power is there is already less in such type of the patient. Roughly there are about 10% of the United States TB patients are there that is co-infected with the HIV, and roughly 20% of the TB patients ages near about 25 to 44 years are co-infected with HIV. Means and the TB is mostly found, 20% of the TB is found at the age of 25 to 44 years are there, and roughly near about 10% of the patients are there that is suffer by this one tuberculosis. Now these are the sites are there where TB is mostly found. Extrapulmonary sites are there. Pulmonary tuberculosis, 85% chances are there that is of the pulmonary tuberculosis. Then other where the TB is spread, such as your lymph node is there. Then genetic urinary tract is there. Then bone joints are there. Then meninges are there. Means the portion in the brains, that is the meninges are there. Here also the TB is there, then intestine is there, skin is there. Here you have to be observed that the person is suffered by this one TB. If there is nothing but your brain, then bones, then larynx are there, then lymph nodes are there, then spleen, lung, kidney. Kidney is also one of the important is there organ is there where, which is to be suffered by this one tuberculosis. That is a Mycobacterium tuberculosis is there. Now, what are the characteristics of the TB? These are the rod-shaped Mycobacterium tuberculosis are there, having a size near about zero point 0.2 to zero point 0.4 micron in diameter and 2 to 4 micron in length. This contain a mycolic acid which is present in its cell wall, and that is marked by the acid fast stains are there which are to be used for identification of this one. It raises the decolorization with the acid and the alcohol. There is no coloration if they should be found by using the acids as well as the alcohol. These are the aerobic and non-motile one. It requires oxygen for their survival if they are, and they are non-motile one. It multiplies slowly and remain dormant for the decades. Means as they have to be present in the patient's body, but they are remain in a dormant condition. They are unable to develop the sign and symptoms, but they progress continuously. How TB is transmitted one person to the another person through the air by person with the TB and the disease of the lung. So this is the infected person is there, and through this one infected person, the droplets are there that containing the Mycobacterium tuberculosis that are transferred to this one healthy person, which are to be inhaled, and then they are to goes into the lungs, and then there is a development in the issue occurred less frequent transmitted by the ingestion, means by Mycobacterium bovis that are found in the unpasteurized milk. Milk also contain this one some of the microorganism that is Mycobacterium bovis, but very less chances are there they have to be present and they are going to transfer the disease in case of the unpasteurized milk, so that every time we are going to boil milk, because of the boiling this Mycobacterium tuberculosis that is a bovis Mycobacterium bovis are get killed. Then inoculation in the skin tuberculosis, the for the skin test, such type of the organisms are there that are to be ingested, or the we can say that Mycobacterium are there that are to be ingested. Then transplacental roots are there. Rarely these type of the treatments are there that are to be given for the transmissions are there. Now the primary tuberculosis, primary infections are there. The primary and the secondary infections are there, which are to be transferred. The progression of the clinical disease in the previously unexposed immunoconcept person depends on the three factors. Means In primary infection, three factors are there that is responsible for the transmission of this one. Then the first one is the number of the tuberculosis organism inhaled. How much concentration you have to be inhaled that Mycobacterium tuberculosis depends on that. The sign and symptoms development is there. It should be depend. The infecting dose and the virulence of this organism means once they are to be enters into your body, at what rate they are going to multiply and they are going to develop. The development of the antimicrobial cell mediated immunity means sometimes your body also try to kill this one Mycobacterium tuberculosis which are to be entered in your body by developing a particular chemical. We call it as a antimicrobial cell mediated immunity is there. Immunity of the Mycobacterium tuberculosis is primarily mediated by Th1 cell, which stimulate the macrophages to kill this one bacteria. That is a Mycobacterium tuberculosis is there, and this one is there should be mediated by this one Th1 cell. Okay, to kill this one bacteria. Now, the primary tuberculosis disease that developed in a previously unexposed person, if the person has not came in directly contact with this one, they almost always begins in the lungs. Means the attack is there is mostly found in the lungs. If there um, unexposed persons are there, means they are not come directly contact with this one patient, then in that case such type of the treatments are there, or that we can say that this is the primary tuberculosis is there. The inhale bacilli implant in the distal airspace of the lower part of the upper lobe or upper part of the lower lobe is there. Here in the diagram you have to be see that how they have to be uh, enters into your body and how there is a development is there is we offer near about 1 to 1.5 centimeter area of the gray white inflammation with consolidation develop is called as a gone focus is there, which often cascades is there. Means once the microorganisms are there that is be enters into your body, they start to develop or multiply, and there is a development of the grayish white passage there should be developed, uh, and along with this one inflammation that is known as a gone focus is there. Here we see that this one is there, that is primary pulmonary tuberculosis within 0 to 3 weeks. The this type of the development is occur, and more than the 3 week such type of the development is there should be occurs. Mycobacterium are there that is enters into the alveolar macrophages. Through this one, Manos cap the glycolipids that will enter the macrophages. Manos receptors are there. Then where the endosomal manipulations are there that is we carried out. The mutation maturation is arrest. The lack of the acid pH is there should be occurs at because of this one entrance of the Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and infective phagosomes formation is there is occurs. Because of this one, the RANP1 polymerism is there is started, and here the mycobacteriums are there that is enters or the seeding and the multiplication of the Mycobacterium tuberculosis there is to be started. After 3 weeks, the alveolar macrophages where this one development is there is to occur. Case second is there to occur where this one T cells are there, T receptors are there that are to be found to this one Mycobacterium tuberculosis antigens are there that are to be binds, and then that are to be enters. For this one tuberculin positivity test there should be, if you have to take this one tuberculin test, then it shows a positive result. There's a swelling there that is be appears, and ultimately the endo epithelioid granuloma condition is there is appear. This is the pathophysiology is there which is be found in the patients are there. Now, primary tuberculosis is there, that is a histopathological change is there, that is a granuloma, granulomatous inflammation from both the cascading and non-cascading tuberculi is there, which is found, means by both the way they are to be found here. Tuberculosis, the granuloma has the following criteria. The rounded outlines are there. When this one infections are there that should enters into your body, there is a rounded outlines are there that are to be observed. The central scissors necrosis means at the center side there is a necrosis process there should be occur. Then transform macrophages called epithelioid cells are there that are to be transferred. Any lymphocyte, plasma cells, and the fibroblast is found. This is the case there. You have to be observe this one. When this one infections are there that if we have enters, there is a round outlines are there that you have to be observe here. The center contain the several Langerhans giant cells are there that are to be observed in this one case is there. Okay. Then granuloma are composed of the transfer macrophages called epithelial cell along with the lymphocytes. Here there is a development is there issue found, and then this is in immunosuppressed individual. Such type of the developments are there that issue occurs. Means already patient is suffer by the immune deficiency such as the HIV infection. Then because of which there is a high development is there is to be observed. This is occasionally even in immunocompartment individual tubercular organism might not show the central secretions are there that is not to be appear, but in case of the HIV patient that is to be appears in case of the pink color. Then no progression fate of the primary tuberculosis there, that is a healing by the fibrosis and calcification is there, because of which there is a no progression is there. If sometime in your body the anti-tubercular agents are there that is present, then there is no sign and symptoms are there that should develop, and there is no progress of the disease is occur. Then Gons complex after undergoing the progressive fibrosis produce radiologically detectable the calcification is called as a rank complex is there. Here you have to be observed this one. This is a rank complex is there should be observed in case of this one. Then progressive primary tuberculosis, primary miliary tuberculosis is there should be occur. Then disseminations to the organs like liver, spleen, kidney, etc. Means the progress is there is not to be occur, so that there is a transmission of this one is there is not to be occur, and very less chances are there that transfer to this one organ such as the liver, spleen, and kidney. This is the flow chart is there where is a increasing immunity. If your immunity power is there is be increasing, and weeks, then years the graph is there that is we observe. If there is a primary infection is there, then in this one primary infection the primary complex in the localized suggestion is there issue occur, means at the local level there is a blockage is there issue occurs. But if your immunity power is there should be increases, then organism is not viable, the killing of the organism is there should be occurs because of your high immunity power is there. But as the time is there should be increases, your immunity power is there is also somewhat less, and because of which uh, the uh, progressive primary T is there issue occur here. That we observe that the patient is to be suffer by this one infectious diseases is there. Then here the liver is there should be affected because your immunity power is there is very less. So that ultimately the liver spleens are there that should be affected, that is a miliarity is there. If the immunity power there is high, then latent lesions are there, that is the organism is to be present in your body but it is in a dormant condition. It does not show the sign and symptoms as the time is increases, uh, but is unable to show its sign and symptoms are there. Then reactions are there that is not to be appear. Then uh, secondary tuberculosis is there, in it is to be retained. Then the type is there should be developed. Here there is no infection is there should be found because your immunity power is more. But once the immunity power is goes on decreasing, the secondary tuberculosis is there should be appears. And here you know that the progressive section artery is there, the cavity then is like your lungs are there, kidneys are there that actually affected. uh, as the time is increases, your immunity power is also goes on decreasing, so ultimately that results in case of this one infectious disease, that is the mycobacterium tuberculosis. Here, this is the portion is there where the patches are there that you have to be observed. That is a grayish color patches are there that should appear that indicate that the person is suffered by this one mycobacterium tuberculosis. These are the sections of the lungs are there. Fate of the secondary pulmonary tuberculosis. The lesion may heal with fibrous scarring and the calcification. If the lesions are there, that it will remain for longer time, and if your immunity power is there is more, then the scarring and the calcification on the healing is there is to be occur. The lesions may coalesce together to form a large area of the tuberculous pneumonia and produce a progressive secondary pulmonary tuberculosis, producing a pulmonary and extrapulmonary lesions are there. If the lesions or the microorganisms are there that are present enters into your lung, sometimes they may develop pneumonia-like condition, and later on the progression of this one tuberculosis is there is to be occur. Tuberculosis pneumonia, then fibrosis tuberculosis, then miliary tuberculosis, likewise the uh, conditions are there that is appear. Then miliary tuberculosis, it is an extensive infection via hematogenous spread is there. If sometime because of the hematological spread, the infections are there that are to be spread that results in case of the miliary tuberculosis. Okay, then in lung, the lesions are either the microscopic or small, visible foci. They are about 2 millimeter of the yellow or the white consolidation scattered throughout the lung parenchyma. Means the yellow color patches are there that you have to be observed that indicate that you are suffer by this one miliary tuberculosis. Miliary pulmonary disease. It causes pleural effusion, tuberculosis, pneumonia, and obliterative fibrous pleuritis is there. Just these are the conditions are there that we appear. That is extrapulmonary miliary tuberculosis. I think there is no need. Just in this case, the liver, spleen, uh, bone marrow, then adrenal, then meninges, that is your brain, kidney, fallopian tubes, and epidermis can involve, or any organ is there should be involved in case of the miliary tuberculosis. In this one, miliary tuberculosis, just you have to know that if the severity of this one mycobacterium tuberculosis is more, then it may attack on the other organs, not only the lungs but kidney, meninges are there, then adrenals are there, bone marrow, spleen, fallopian tubes are there. Likewise, the different organs are there that should be affected by this one. Here, this is the portion of the spleen is there where the mycobacterium tuberculosis is affected. Here, you have to be observe this one shows grayish white color patches are there or the granulomas are there that you have to be observed. This indicate that patient is suffered by this one, tuberculosis. Extrapulmonary tuberculosis in the tissue or the organ spread hematogenously, means because of the hematological the spreading there is a high one that commonly involve the organs such as the intestinal tuberculosis, primary, secondary, and the hyperplastic, where the intestinal tuberculosis is occurred, then manages in the brain. Tuberculous meningitis is there, then kidney, renal tuberculosis, adrenal, that is a Addison's disease is there, then bone, that is a osteomyelitis, then vertebrate, in vertebra also tuberculosis may enter, that is a photo disease is there, then fallopian tube, it is a meningitis are there. Then influence of the HIV infection on the pathogenesis. The HIV infection, as in the last slide I told you that if the person is suffered by this one HIV, then the very well chances are there that person is suffered by this one tuberculosis also, because by anyway if we came in contact with this one tuberculosis person, then because of the anyway that agents are there that is enter into this one patient's body. HIV infection is most important risk factor for the active TB, such as CD4, then lymphocytes uh, multiply in response to the mycobacterium infection. HIV multiplies within these cells called cell and selectively destroy them, gradually eliminate the TB fighting lymphocyte. Mostly what happen in case of this one, if the patient is suffered by the HIV and if the TB patient came in contact with this one, then TB and mycobacterium tuberculosis enters into this one body, because of which uh, some of your defense mechanisms are there, lymphocytes are there that are to be fighting with this one tuberculosis agents are there, but because of the some HIV multiplication, these fighters are there that are eliminated throughout your body, which are going to fight against this one TB. HIV infected patients infected with TB are at substantially higher risk of early mortality, means the chances of the death is more in case of the patient who have to be suffered by the HIV, and if the TB is enters in that patient body, the it's very difficult or the complicated condition is there should be appear. Most clinicals elect to begin the TB treatment first. A reasonable time to begin HIV treatment is after the 2 months of the TB treatments are there that are to be given. In initially HIV treatments, your immunity power is goes on increasing. Then the TB treatments are there that should be started after the 2 months. Here I show you the different parts are there, then which are to be affected, where the chances of the TB there is to be found more, then where these parts are located, then what are the signs and symptoms are there which are to be observed. These are the symptoms are there. For example, first one is that at the pulmonary tuberculosis, where the symptoms are there that is a cup formation is occurs. So what happened in this case? In pulmonary tuberculosis. Here there is a night sweat is there, means sweating at the night time is there should be found. Then weakness, then poor appetite. The patient is having poor appetite. Then he because of which he feel weakness. Then sometimes there is a fever, weight loss. Likewise the symptoms are there that is appears. Okay. Now, primary pulmonary tuberculosis is there. The structural abnormalities are there which are to be observed. In this case, it shows weakness is there, is to be found. Then fever, then dry cough is there. Then gastrointestinal symptoms are there which are to be appear in this one patient. That is a primary pulmonary tuberculosis. Then tuberculosis pleuritis is there. There is a chest pain is observed. In this case, the patient is having this one conditions are there, that the fever is also present, and then uh, it shows somewhat weakness is there. It should be observed in this one patients is there. Then night sweat is also found in this one patient. Then miliary tuberculosis is there. In this one miliary tuberculosis, there is a fever, weakness, weight loss. These symptoms are there. Okay. Then returns to the dormant tuberculosis mean the if your immunity power is high, and if you came in contact with the TB patient, then TB Mycobacterium tuberculosis agent enters into your body, but you are in a dormant, they are in a dormant condition. So after some time, it may show cough with increasing the mucus, then coughing of blood. Means at last the blood is there, it comes out through the cup is there. So in this case, there is a night sweat is there, then poor appetite is there, then weight loss, then likewise the different type of the conditions such as pain is there. If we observe sometimes patient shows uh, pain in the chest is there, then extrapulmonary tuberculosis. The common sites are there, that is meningitis are there, meninges is in the brain, then lymph nodes are there, then bones and the joints are there, then genitourinary tracts are there. These are the locations are there. In this case, patient have weakness, fever, then weight loss, then gastrointestinal problems are there, which have to be appear. These are the clinical findings are there. Now the clinical present presentation of the tuberculosis is there. The sign and symptoms are there. Patient typically present with the weight loss, fatigue, productive cough, fever, and night sweat. These are the common symptoms are there. Cough is the common. If the coughing is there should be long time, no any type of the cough syrups are there that are to be plays an important role. Then pain in the chest is there. Then that indicate that patient is suffer by this one tuberculosis is there. Then at the night time there is a fever is there, then night sweat is there. Likewise the symptoms are there that indicate that patient is suffered by this one tuberculosis. Physical examination if you have to perform, the dullness of the chest uh, persecutions are there, then rails are there, then acoustic oscillation reveal the vocal parameters sound is there, means patient there is a somewhat change in the patient voice or the vocal parameters is there should be found. Then the laboratory tests if you have to perform the moderate elevation in the white blood cell, mean normally the WBC count is there, it should goes increasing with the lymphocyte predominance is there, it should be found. In case most of the WBC count is there should be more than the normal, along with the lymphocyte, which are also present in the predominance. They said the laboratory test is there. Then chest radiography. If you have to take the radiograph, we can say that X-ray is there should be performed. Then patchy or the nodular in infiltrates in the apical areas of the upper lobes or the superior segment of the lower lobe. There is a patches are there that you have to be observed. Then cavitation that may show ear fluid level as the infection is progresses. In case of the chest, you have to be most of the time you have to be observed that the condition is there is just like pneumonia in the surrounding in the chest water is there should present. Most of the time physician told that if the patient is suffered by the pneumonia, water is there should be present in the chest. मीन्स मराठीमध्ये आपण त्याला म्हणतो छातीमध्ये पाणी झालेलं आहे. This type of the symptoms are there that should appear. So for further information, if the patient, a physician is there is not to be satisfied or having a confusion, they he go for the CT scan. The diagnosis of the TB has spread through this one body. There is a miliary TB, and to detect the lungs cavity is caused by this one TB. Then sometime MRI is also carried out. This test looks for TB in the brain or the spine. MRI is mostly carried out to check whether the TB is goes in the brain or the spinal cord or not. Okay. This is the chest impressions are there that you have to be observed. In this case, there is a infiltrate in the left lung is there. If you see that in the left lung on the figure A, the left lung there is some of the patches are there that you have to be observed here. Okay, in this one particular portions. Then Gons complex, that is a primary tuberculosis is there we have to be observed. In this case, there is a the dots are there that you have to be observed, and the last one that is a bilateral advanced pulmonary tuberculosis and the cavitation in the apical area of the right lung is there. In this right lung, this condition is there is appear. Okay. Now, we know that diagnosis. People are exposed to the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Then, if no or if yes, then there's a negative TST test. TST is nothing but the tuberculin skin test. I told you that just under the skin, some of the purified proteins are there that is being ingested. That is the often from the Mycobacterium tuberculosis is there. Then interferon gamma release assays are there that are to be result. If there is no development of the little TB infections are there or the TB is there, then no infection is there issue present, means no swelling is there issue found, then patient is not suffer by this one tuberculosis is there. Then if it is infected with the Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the normal chest radiograph are there that are to be taken. That is, X-rays are there that is taken. If there is no symptoms are there, then it has LTBI, that is LTM tuberculosis infections are there. Then if they are not active one, then develop the symptoms later on. If they are to be present, if the test is positive, then the development may occur after the some time, so that the symptoms are there till positive, the cultures are there that are prepared, has the TB disease is there should be detected and maybe infectious one. If the tests are there that are to be conducted, positive TST is there, that is a tuberculin skin test if there should be positive, then IRGA results are there that should be positive, then abnormal chest radiography is conducted, then symptoms are there that should be observed, then positive cultures are there, then has the TB disease may be infectious one. Likewise, the treatments are there and diagnosis is there should be carried out. This is the tuberculin test, is the skin test is there. In this case, the infection with the Mycobacterium tuberculosis typically leads to the development of the delay hypersensitivity to the Mycobacterium tuberculosis antigens are there, which can be detected by the tuberculin test. Means in this one tuberculin test, the antigens are there that are to be injected, and if uh, the infections are there that are to be present of the Mycobacterium tuberculosis, then there is a swelling in there is to be found. If they are absent, there is no swelling in there is to be present in this one. Likewise, the test is there is to be carried out. Then about 2 to 4 weeks after the injection, means when the it is not like that once you have to inject you are getting the relief also week. This is the diagnosis test is there. So once you're to getting the injected, then the physician asks you just to visit after 2 to 4 weeks. 2 to 4 weeks near about 28, 14 to 28 days period is there. We can say that near about 1 month is there. After this 1 month, intravenous injections of the purified protein derivative of the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. We can it also say that the PPD, that is the purified protein derivative of Mycobacterium tuberculosis in there. Means what are the Mycobacterium tuberculosis agents are there from this one, the purified proteins or their derivatives are there that are to be remove and that are to be used for this one test induces a visible and palpable in duration that peaks near about 48 to 72 hours. A positive tuberculin test results the significant cell-mediated hypersensitivity. If there is a positive test, how can we say that the test is positive? That is, the inflammation on this one particular area where the injection is given, so that physician mark this one particular area. Sometimes they have to take the photograph along with the name of the patient, so that if the mark is there, it should be vanished. So by this way, they can detect this one particular portion. Okay, means at this one particular area where there is a hypersensitivity there it should be observed or not. If hypersensitivity is there, then the tubercular antigens, tubercular agents are there that represent. It does not differentiate between the infection and the disease. Means whether the infection is there or the disease is there is not to be differentiated, but they only give the test positive or negative. Then false negative tests, negative reactions are there that are also carried out. Some of the tests are there which are not related to this one, but if they are negative, then that indicate that this immunosuppression is they should be present, or the tubercular agents are there that are to be present. Just like this one, some of the tests are there that are to be conducted. We can say that false negative reactions are there. Then some false positive reactions are there that may also result from the infection by the atypical mycobacteria. We go into the next one side, that is the sputum examinations are there. The sputum examination, this is the most important test is there which should be carried out. For this one test, the patient has to wake up early in the morning, not to take anything. Then what is the sputum is there is to be given, and from this one sputum, what is the infected portion or the dirty portion which are to be observed on the sputum, that is to be taken for the examination. And such 3 days the examinations are there that will be carried out. The increased chances of the detection, the sputum can be collected from the laryngeal swab, you know. Yes, from this one laryngeal swab, the sputum is collected. Then bronchial washings are there that are to be collected in the small children. The gastric cleavage can also be taken for the examination also. Smear should be prepared from the thick, dirty part of the sputum and stain with the Jehi-Nielsen techniques. And then the diagnosis is there should be carried out. Then treating TB disease, always treat the multiple drugs, never add a single uh, drug to a failing regimen. Means not a single drug is there should be given, but along with this one, this is a combination therapy is there should be given, so that there is a broad spectrum of activity is there should be found. Because two drugs they show variety of the actions, but the target is the same one. The treatment course is depends upon the category, means which type of the TB is there, that is a dry TB or the wet TB is there. Usually the 6 month treatment or sometime 9 month treatment is there should be given. Initially for the TB there is a 4 drug combinations are there that are given, such as your isoniazid, rifampicin is there, then ethambutol, then pyraziminides are there that are to be given. Two drug treatment for 4 to 7 months if there should be given. Initially, 4 drug treatment for 2 months and 2 drug treatment for 4 to 7 months is there. In this case, isoniazid and rifampicin is the best choice is there. Isoniazid is the only drug which is to be utilized for this one tuberculosis. But along with this one, the synergistic action rifampicin is there should be given. In this case, the isoniazid may be continue for a maximum up to 9 months also. Nowadays, the treatment is very costly, so that the government given treatment known as a dot therapy, that is a direct observed Directly observed treatment, that is a short course is there is to be given. Most of the time the advertisement are also published by the government, that is endorsed in, not to shy take this one treatment. Likewise in there, then treating the latent infection, the isoniazid is preparing the drug for treating the latent TB infection. Generally isoniazid alone is given for the 9 months for the latent TB infection. It reduces a person's lifetime risk of the active tuberculosis. In this way, we have completed a chapter that is tuberculosis. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.